Here is how you can hide your friends on the Instagram on the iPhone. Let me explain and show you how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the Instagram is obviously a platform where you follow each other. It's not like Facebook where you have friends requests. But if you mean the people that you are following or those that follow you back, you can most definitely hide this from the public view. If you go to your profile, tap on the three lines for the settings and privacy, and you essentially just want to switch your profile from the public to the private one. So you're going to have to go through these options, but you want to find the account type and tools. And essentially in here, you can switch. There are more options. You can choose the public, which might be professional or creator, but you also have the personal, right? So you can switch to the personal, and that is going to give you the ability to lock your account, right? Because if you switch to if you by any chance have the business or creator one, you can only keep it public. But if you switch it to the private account, then you will have the ability to choose if it's visible or not, right? So that's how it would basically work. You just don't want other people to see that that all of your details are public. So as I say, once you have the account switched to the personal mode, you can go to the account privacy and enable the private account, meaning that nobody else will be able to see the amount. The amount will be visible of the followers, but unless somebody is following you and you have confirmed it, then nobody else is going to be able to see your friends, even those that you follow or that they follow, right? So this is how it would work, and you just want to make your Instagram private this way. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching. In case you have some more thoughts, leave them below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.